Hello.
Who are you saying hi to?
Horses.
Good morning, horses.
Good morning, horses. Good morning.
You having breakfast?
I eat breakfast. I like to eat breakfast. They eat breakfast a lot.
What do they do?
Eat breakfast a lot.
Are they handsome?
Yes. Just like our dog is handsome.
Who is?
Horses and our doggy.
Who's our dog?
Pissy.
Is he handsome? Okay. All right, well, we've got to go to school, so say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Horsey. Bye-bye, Horsey. Bye-bye, Horsey. That's where the traffic goes.
Think we'll see some more?
But there's more baby horses.
There are.
There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's more out. There's more out and there's some in. They can't come in. There's no way. I'm gonna go from the school. Make us more and more.
You saw some more?
Yes, and more.
It's nice to see horses in the morning, huh?
Keep it open.
Keep it open? Okay.